Okay, so after setting the blue color, so we will just check if it will be seen or will be shown on the field. So save it, then refresh. So now this blue line is the space where the main container is holding on. So that is good. So we really need to set it at 100% width. So it needs to occupy the whole space. Now next is we will also put a border to the second div container. We will use red. So first we need to call the class name of the second div container, which is called the input container. So here you go. Okay, down here. Okay, there you go. So save. So let's just copy this one and change the color. Make it red. So there you go. Now they're about the same, but in this case, we want the second div container to be shown in the middle. Okay, in the middle of this, in just a size, I think maybe 30% is enough. So let's set it the width of the second container into 30%. Okay, width of 30%. There you go. Then let's double check. Okay, there you go. But after that, so first of all, I want automatically to put the second container in the middle. So we need to set the first container into display flex. Okay. So we will be using display flex. Okay. Display flex. Then justify content to so it will be shown in the middle. And also we will add a padding so it will not be shown border to border. Okay, padding of let's say 33x. Let's check. Okay, there you go. So it's already in the middle. Then after that, so I want also the input inside the second container to be shown in a column type. Okay, column type. So okay, what we're going to do is we also need to set a flex inside the second container. So here, the input container, so we need to set a flex in here. Also display flex. Okay, justify content center. Okay, center. Oh, sorry for that. Let's put it down. Then of course we need to set a padding. A padding of 20px is, I think, is good. Then of course let's check. So there. Oh, sorry. I forgot to give one more option, which is the display direction. The flex direction must be row. A column, sorry, rather column. Okay. So flex direction. There. It must be in column. Okay, now let's check. So there you go. Now, after that, so it's already in the position. So I want to show you the purpose of using the flex is to have a responsive display, even though if you're having a different resolution. Okay, so I want to show you by zooming it. So here, as what you see, no matter how many times I zoom, it stays on its place. See that? Okay, so next is all we have to do now is to put a little bit design on the field, on the text field, by adding a border color and also removing the outline, and by adding a little bit padding and a radius shape. Okay, let's do that. By doing that, so because the input is inside the input container, it will go off and we will check it. As what you see here, this input, this 1, 2, 3, 4 input type is inside the input container. So we will call this one and this one to declare that what are we assigning to the CSS is the input inside the input container. Okay, let's do it. Okay, down here, so we'll just copy this one. Okay, like that. Okay, then add input tag. Okay, so here we will add a padding of another 10px maybe, and after adding 10px it will be shown this way. Then of course a margin. Okay, let's add a margin of 5px just to separate the input to each other. Okay, see that? Then next, of course, we want to add a border radius to give a little bit shape. Okay, border radius of I guess 23x. So let's double check. So there you go. Now if you will click this one, automatically it will show you this outline line. So I don't want to see it there, even though if I will click this input. So we will remove it. So how to remove that? Outline, none. Okay, let's check. Okay, there you go. It's very nice and clear. So next is, okay, we want also to make this a little bit shapy. So let's move there again. Okay, select is also found inside the input container. So we will call input container again, dash container, and select tag. Okay, add the padding of 10px also. With I guess I just want to put a border radius of same 10px. Okay, then let's check. Okay, there you go. Now it looks like this. Now we have something missing here. So I will not finalize the design because the purpose of this video is to show you how to create a pop-up by the use of the get global variable. Okay, in a pure PHP. Okay, without using function statement, without using JavaScript. Okay, this is only a pure PHP, CSS, and HTML. Okay, next, let's continue.